Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. You guys, I am so excited. We are about to change some things around. I'm going to add some cabinets to the kitchen pantry. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this all turns out, just stick around. I love to collect candles. I love burning candles. I just love for my house to smell good when people come over. So you guys have probably guessed it. We are going to be moving these cabinets out of the laundry room and we're going to take them over to the kitchen pantry. You guys have heard me talk about how I want to put some cabinets in that space. So today we decided that's what we're going to do. So right now Jason is unscrewing the cabinets so he can take them down. The cabinets came from Lowe's and we put these in here about 3 years ago. But I also realized with having these cabinets in here, we actually really didn't even use them. I used them for my candles, and then on this side, the part that Jason's doing right now, I use them to just store some of Chloe's snacks. That way she wouldn't ask for them if they were in the kitchen pantry. So we did not utilize this cabinet like I actually thought we would. So I just came up with the bright idea to go ahead and just move them into the pantry. Why not? It actually fits in there, and I already love these cabinets, and they're thin enough to actually go into the pantry because our pantry is not big at all, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and take some of the things out of here, some of the food that I had in the pantry, and I'm showing you guys a clip of how it looked. Look at all that wasted space up top. And I've always hated how they didn't use this whole pantry, considering how small of a footprint that this is for the size of house that we have. We don't have a huge house, but I just think that the pantry should have been bigger than what it was. If you guys didn't catch the measurements on that measuring tape, it was 48 inches. That means it was that much space that was wasted and could have been used. I mean, I understand that sometimes there will be empty space, but in this case, in the pantry, they could at least put shelves all the way up to the top, or gave an option for us to even have them do that. But just having all that wasted space was just, I don't know. But I do want to paint these cabinets, but I want to put cabinets in the lower part of this pantry, and then put a countertop at the bottom also. So I don't want to do anything that drastic yet until I get everything changed and done the way I want to before I actually do that. But I'm excited. I love the way it looks. You guys stay tuned because it's going to be so cute here at the end. tell me this is not a Pinterest worthy pantry. I love the way this turned out. Using those little decor pieces that's in the middle there just set it all off for me. I am so glad that I thought about this. I just love it. I love the way this turned out. I love that we used those cabinets, which took some of the oddball things that I really don't like to look at out of the bottom part of the pantry, and now they're in that cabinet. But I am just enjoying this little pantry. Even though it's small, it just shows you that you can do big things to small little packages, so I'm so glad. But anyway, I am so excited that you guys chose to click on my channel. I want to say I appreciate you guys. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I want to say hi to all my new subscribers. And until the next video, guys, I will see you soon. Bye.